What is the peculiarity of fovea, which is the center of visual field in mammalian eye? So fovea is a central part of the retina in the mammalian eye, which is responsible for the sharp central vision, and it contains high density of cones, which are the photoreceptor cells responsible for the color vision and fine detail. Whereas the fovea does not have any rods. These rod cells are responsible for the vision in low light condition. And this area is specialized for the daylight vision and high visual acuity. So that means the correct answer is option B, high density of cones but has no rods. Whereas option A, more rods, will be incorrect. C, the optic nerve leaves the eye. This is also incorrect because the optic nerve exits the eye at the optic disc, not the fovea. So option C is incorrect. Option D, only rods are present, is also incorrect. The answer is option B.